Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Standard Chartered Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Standard Chartered Bank login. Once you make search, you'll find internet banking login on the top of your search list. Just click here and you'll be redirected to the official page of Standard Chartered Bank. Now, all you have to do is look on the top right corner of your screen and you'll find login. On the login, you'll find online banking login. Just click here and click on continue to log in. You will be redirected to the login portal where you simply have to enter your credentials, that includes your username and your password. You also have to enter security key, which is image captcha. You can also choose audio captcha. In case you forgot your username or password, you can click here and reset it. If not, then just simply enter your credentials and log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.